Welcome. In front of me is a POCO F6, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So, to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top right side of your screen like I just did, and then find the hotspot toggle. For me, it is right over here. It looks like this chain link. Now, if you're having trouble finding it, you could click on the edit right here, and then find it somewhere here. Or obviously find it by the name, which will say hotspot under the toggle itself. Anyway, once you see this toggle, hold it the first time around, and this will quickly take you to the settings. Here, you want to navigate to Setup Portable Hotspot, and you want to select the password. Now, by default, you can see that it is randomly generated, so without navigating here, you have honestly no way of knowing what the password is. Additionally, I do just recommend getting rid of it, as it is randomly generated. Once you get rid of it, you can then put in your own password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters or numbers, both. Anyway, once you have put in your password, you can save it by clicking right here on this check mark. Now, before I do so, I am going to also quickly mention there's a couple additional settings in here, but I do recommend keeping them as they are by default, as this will ensure that a hotspot will basically work with a wide array of devices, and also that your network will be protected with some kind of password. Anyway, I'm gonna save this, and let's find the toggle, and now all we need to do is just tap on it. Now, one more thing is, once you're done using your hotspot, I didn't see any option for it to be turned off automatically, so you might need to remember to turn it off yourself, as the hotspot will consume more of your phone's battery, and if you're done using it, there's really no reason for it to be wasting your battery. And you can turn it off by tapping on the toggle once again. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.